Elizabeth Belmonte from IC. Congratulations.
Another one.
This is from Lamudi. Beverly Ko from
ICRB pa yun?
ICRB.
Ang daming ICRB na winner, oh. Okay, so we still have one more? Two more. Mary Ann Plana from BBRFI from Davao. Okay. Okay, another one. From Sereb, Portia Agosto, the very pretty lady. Please come forward, Portia. Mayroon ka ba, ma'am? Mayroon pa. After doon, ayun. By the way, I'm Carmela from Lamudi, Philippines, the real estate listing platform, the #1 in the Philippines. And actually, I just would like to encourage you guys to visit our booth outside because tomorrow, we will be announcing a winner of an iPad A16 once you have subscribed to our booth until tomorrow. So exclusively for Parem event, we are having that raffle and also up to 70% discount on your property listing. So if you want help in exposure for your property listings, we are the team that you can rely on. Yun lang. Have a good afternoon and thank you everyone.
Thank you, Lamudi. Congratulations again to our winners. We'll now take a short break. Please be back promptly for our fellowship night. We have been your hosts.
I am Maribel Du.
I am Ian Esmenia. Good afternoon and see you all at the fellowship night with a Back to the 60s theme. Pictorial, group pictorial.
Renee J. Castillo. National Director, Josephine A. Diane.
Officially open. Thank you, and I wish everyone a memorable, productive, and a successful conference. Madamo, salamat, Gid. Pinractice ko po yun.
representing Ma Aliguas, Pangasinan, DLC Forward.
Ian Espana, representing Cebu Real Estate Board Inc. Let's go!
Mabuhay ang mga tayaw! I'm Roger M. Johnson, representing the Davao Board of Realtors Foundation Inc.
Magandang gabi ho sa inyo lahat. Adonis Aguiles, representing the Real Estate Board of Lipa City mula sa lalawigan ng mga Barako at mga Alale, Batangas.
Mr. Carl Frederick Regrajo, representing Calamba, Laguna, Real Estate Board.
My name is Henry Uy, representing Pasig Realty Board. Mabuhay ng Pasig Realty Board. Mabuhay tayo lahat.
Sa kasabihan, pag may komisyon, walang konsumisyon. Thank you!
Good morning, Karen! Eto na naman ako, walang asawa-asawa, di ba? Di ba na kayo nagsawa? Ako hindi nagsasawa. I love you, Karen. May kasabihan. Eto, totoo to. Laban lang ang laban. Mamaya may consolation din yan. And I thank you.
Galing, laban lang na laban. For number 6, Miss Carol Destaca, Mento of CLRB.
Good morning, Carol. I am Carol Destacamento, representing CLRB mula sa bayan ng Magabayani, Calamba City, Laguna.
Okay, another CLRB, Miss Rena C. Preo.
Good morning, CLRB. I'm Ria Frio from. Good morning, Parag. I'm Ria Frio from CLRB. And Parag will always be my God. Matagal po akong na-staff to attend events, and tonight, Bacolod made this fun. Thank you, Bacolod. Thank you, Parag.
And for number 8, Edna Plaza of ICRB.
of Bacolod, the city of smiles. Just like the Mascara Festival, may we continue to smile through challenges and treasure the friendship that we gain through Parrot. I'm Maricon Gonzaga of Loreto, Negros Occidental Realty Estate Boards Incorporated. Thank you.
And number 12, Mascara, Miss Jeanette Floyd of ICRC.
Dad, subong nakadaka kami sa state. Napasalamat din kami pare. Salamat ang mga Ilonggo, guwapa, kag mapinalanggaon. Salamat sa inyo. Pero the best, ang pare pagpalangga sa atot tanan. Kahit ipabistihan niya kita sa the best kabutanan. I love you all, my fellow realtors. Salamat sa narimay. Number 12.
Another ICRB, number 13, Miss Nel. Ngayong aga pare, I am Elisa Tisol of ICRB. And our 14th
Ngayong gabi sa tanan, ay Paulino Valdez Rizal from Iligan City Realtors Board Incorporated. ICRB, forward!
on our last contestant for Mascara Best Attire is from LPC REB, Kathleen Manalaitay.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Catherine Manalaysay from Las Piñas City Real Estate Board.
Thank you. And from 1 to 15, forward mo, a little forward. Sige. Then give space from 1. Kasi nasa audience ang judges natin. And walang nakakalam pa sa ngayon kung sino ang mga judges. So stay put first. One line facing the audience first. Sige. Face the audience. Okay? And, ipakita niyo ang best dress you for tonight. Say, turn to the left. Okay? Saan naman left natin? Okay. Turn to the left. Left. Ang left. Here. Okay? Sige, pose a little pose para makita ng judges. Turn to the another left. Okay? And turn to the left. And turn to the left. Show your numbers. Okay, a little pose. And you can leave now. Sige, over here. One, please.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Emmanuel Arges from Noribi.
sa patutunguhan. Sa sobrang bigat ng kasong ko, hindi na ako makalingan. This is Reggie Aguilar, ICRB.
Very colorful, sir.
Good morning, everyone. From Palawan Realtors Board, my name is Kim Eugenio. One parent, one purpose, one nation, Palawan!
Thank you very much. Up next.
Her name is Bond, James Bond. From Metro Awareness Realtors Board, secret broker, always the winner. Good evening to everyone.
Okay, thank you very much. Ingat-ingat tayo.
Isang mapagpalang gabi, pare. I am Jasper Santiago mula sa lupain ng mga bayani, Bulacan, representing BRB, naniniwala sa kasabihan, sa pag-ibig, walang reservation, pero seryoso ang terms and conditions. And now, thank you.
Mayang kagabi sa atong natanan. I'm Ronnie Diego Hembesao, representing Davao Board of Realtors Foundation Inc. May kasabihan, hindi lahat ng pogi ay perfect, pero lahat ng perfect ay needed. Thank you.
Alright, guys. Palakpakan na po natin yung pito natin candidate and we will move forward.
Good evening, pare. Maayong gabi sa kanyang tanan. My name is Ramon Lozada. I'm connected with Senate. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Good evening, pare. Behind this mask is a story. A story of our province that really we want Negros to be great again, and we want Nori to be great also. Ronnie Agoro, Pastor de Bacolod, Negros Hospital Support, really tonight for this competition. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We will
Hello, Bacolod. Hello, City of Smile. I am from the City of Love. My name is Efren Chimeo. May ginasiging kita mula noon hanggang ngayon at magpakailanman pare kita tanan. Palakpakan!
may pagkadon tumanda tayo, sir. So now let's go on number 11, Paul D. from Sasoret.
Mayang gabi, I'm Paul from Cebu South Real Estate Board. Open house tayo ngayon. No reservation. Just your applause. Thank you.
Let's move forward to number 12, Jose Francis Kanye Zares from Saran.
Ayong gabi, kanyang tanan, pare. I am Joe Franz Canizares from the homeland of our very first national hero, Lapu-Lapu, representing Cebu, Cebu Real Estate Board 8.
And naniniwala ako sa kasalitaan
nakaset sa salita. Wait lang. Naniniwala ako sa isang salita. Pero marami ito. Iniisip ko pa, sandali lang. Maghintay mo na kayo. I'm sure busog na kayo. Naniniwala ba kayo sa isang salita? Mahirap. Naniniwala ako sa kasalitang kasabihan. Tama ka. Naniniwala ako sa kasabihan para walang konsumisyon sa inyo ang relasyon, sa akin ang komisyon. And thank you and good evening.
Okay? Let's pause for a few seconds. Okay? Let's turn left. Left. Naka-left na ba ang lahat? Alright? Let's turn left again. For them to see your sexy back. And then turn left. And then turn left again. Let's give a warm applause to our participant from the male category. Okay? Backwards po muna.
Inviting all female contestants to walk up here at the stage. Kaya, very nervous talaga siya. 2 words. That is obvious. Hindi nga siya obvious. Sige.
Okay, dito naman, we have another comment. How are you today?
Beautiful.
Wow! Grabe mga candidates natin, one word na tayo ah.
Good word, beautiful.
Yes!
Let's ask a handsome man, gentleman here. How do you feel today?
Okay.
Super happy
Super happy, bakit?
because you are all in the city of smiles.
Okay.
Dahil nasa City of Smiles tayo in Bacolod. Let's smile. Kita ang smile.
Okay, while waiting,
Okay, andito na. Sige, 1.
And how about you, sir? How are you today?
I'm speechless.
So many speeches, sir. Thank you very much. Alright. Yes, Sharon, are we
Yes.
going to announce?
Since nandito lahat ng contestant natin, let's give them a round of applause bago i-announce ang winner.
So what an incredible display of style and creativity. Thank you for even more colorful